When you're putting together a high-end PC in 2026, performance alone is never enough. You can invest in a powerful CPU, a top-tier GPU, fast storage, and premium memory, but without an efficient cooling system, none of that hardware can consistently perform at its best. Today, we're focusing on a premium cooling solution built for exactly that purpose, the ASUS ROG RYUO 4 SLC 360 ARGB. A 360mm all-in-one liquid CPU cooler designed for enthusiasts who want strong thermal performance combined with a clean, modern aesthetic. If you are interested in purchasing this ASUS ROG RYUO 4 SLC 360 ARGB CPU cooler, you can find the purchase link in the description. From the moment you unbox it, the cooler feels like a premium-grade component. ASUS has consistently targeted the enthusiast market with its ROG lineup, and this product follows that same philosophy. Every detail, from the radiator finish to the pump design and fan structure, is engineered to meet the expectations of high-performance PC builders. At the core of this cooler is its large 360mm radiator. This size is not just for show, it directly impacts thermal performance. A larger radiator surface allows heat to dissipate more efficiently, which is essential when dealing with modern CPUs that generate significant heat under heavy workloads such as gaming, rendering, streaming, or multitasking. The included high-performance ARGB fans are designed to maintain strong airflow while ensuring effective heat transfer across the radiator. This helps keep CPU temperature stable even during extended periods of heavy usage, which is critical for maintaining performance consistency and avoiding thermal throttling. One of the biggest advantages of liquid cooling systems like this is their ability to balance performance with noise levels. Instead of relying on constantly high-speed air cooling, an AIO system can adjust more intelligently, providing strong cooling when needed while staying relatively quiet during lighter tasks. Aesthetically, this cooler is built to stand out inside any modern PC build. The ARGB lighting system offers full customization, allowing users to match their setup's color scheme or create dynamic lighting effects. When paired with ASUS Aura Sync compatible components, the entire system can be synchronized for a unified visual experience. Build quality is another area where this cooler excels. The tubing is durable and flexible, the fittings are solid, and the overall construction is designed for long-term reliability. This is especially important for users who plan to run high-performance systems continuously under demanding workloads. Installation is straightforward for most modern PC builders. The mounting hardware supports a wide range of CPU sockets, making it compatible with both Intel and AMD platforms. ASUS has also streamlined the installation process to make it as simple and efficient as possible, even for less experienced builders. In terms of performance, this cooler is built to handle serious workloads. Whether you're gaming at high frame rates, editing large video projects, rendering 3D scenes, or running multiple applications simultaneously, maintaining low CPU temperatures allows your system to sustain higher boost clocks and deliver smoother overall performance. For gamers, this translates to more stable gameplay and consistent frame pacing. For creators, it means faster render times and improved workflow efficiency. For enthusiasts and overclockers, it provides additional thermal headroom to safely push hardware further. Another key benefit of a 360mm AIO cooler is future readiness. As CPUs continue to increase in power and thermal output, having a high-capacity cooling solution ensures your system remains capable for future upgrades without immediate hardware changes. Being part of the ASUS ROG ecosystem also adds value through software integration and synchronization. Users with other ASUS components can unify lighting, performance monitoring, and system tuning through a single ecosystem, creating a more seamless user experience. When evaluating a premium cooler, it is not just about temperature numbers. It is about overall system balance, performance, noise, aesthetics, reliability, and ease of use all play important roles. This cooler is designed to deliver across all of these areas rather than focusing on just one metric. So who is this cooler really for? It is ideal for high-end gaming PCs, content creation workstations, streaming setups, and enthusiast-level builds where both performance and visual design matter equally. If you want a cooling solution that enhances both your system's performance and appearance, this is positioned in that premium category. At the end of the day, effective cooling is not just about keeping temperatures low. It is about ensuring stable performance, reducing noise, improving system longevity, and enhancing the overall visual identity of your PC build. The ASUS ROG RYUO 4 SLC 360 ARGB delivers all of that in a single package designed for serious PC enthusiasts.